Okay, let us start the second chapter. Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. You know who was Nelson Mandela? From South Africa, who has fought a very great battle against apartheid. He spent 30 years in prison. So let us read something about the man. I'm just going to tell you the gist of the chapter, and afterwards we'll start the reading of the chapter. So South Africa remained under the British rule for more than 3 centuries. Since 1948, a very cruel policy of apartheid was followed by the white rulers. According to this policy, white and non-white people were kept separate from each other. They were educated under separate systems and were kept in or out of certain areas. Some were allowed. The black of Africa bitterly opposed such racial discrimination. At last, after long struggle, democratic elections were held in which Nelson Mandela was elected the first black president of South Africa. On May 10, 1994, Mandela was sworn as the president, and there were wild jubilations among the blacks of the country because they were very happy. In this lesson, Mandela recalls briefly, he remembers about how this day was celebrated and what his feelings were at the time of those celebrations, what he was thinking about, how he has won this position, the whole history of the South Africa struggle, and also the history of his own life came alive before his imagination. He pays a tribute to thousands of South African patriots who suffered endlessly and sacrificed their lives for the cause of freedom. He calls himself merely the sum of all those patriots who have gone before him. In spite of all those sacrifices, he bears no ill will against the whites. He says that the oppressors is as much a prisoner as the oppressed. The oppressor who is ruling remains chained to hatred. He keeps on hating. On the other hand, the oppressed one gains heights in character in proportion to the depths of torture he is subjected to. Mandela makes another important observation. He says that courage is not the absence of fear, no, but the triumph over fear. If you win over the fear, then you can feel you are courageous. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. Mandela's sufferings had indeed made him a man of courage and character. So this was all about how he has gone through all this that we are to read in the chapter line to line. We are going to start the reading of the chapter.